Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can reverse your video on CapCut. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your CapCut app and then select the video that you want to reverse. Here you can see this is the exact video that I want to reverse. So in order to reverse it, what you're going to do is first of all tap on this video right here. Now here you can see there is another set of edits that you can see after tapping on the video. Now scroll to the right until you see the option of reverse. Here you can see the option of reverse right here. Simply just tap on it. And now your video is being reversed. And just like this, you have now successfully reversed your video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.